Hi everyone and welcome to the second part of chapter 7. In this part, we will learn to turn on and off a USB switch relay. In this video, we will learn how to operate the USB relay on the EDU PICO, but more importantly, to understand how a relay works. A relay is an electromechanical device that acts as a switch controlled by electrical signal. It allows a low-power circuit to control a high-power circuit, making it an essential component in various electrical and electronic applications. In this case, we will use the EDU PICO to control the on and off of the relay, which will control the on and off of a USB LED light stick connected to the USB port. The program will begin by prompting the user to input either 1 for on or 0 for off at the shell console to control the on and off of the USB relay. If the input is 1, the USB relay will turn on and you will notice the relay LED indicator next to the USB port will light up, indicating the relay is switched on. If the input is 0, the USB relay will turn off. Connect the USB LED light stick to the USB relay to test out the USB relay functionality. Let's begin with writing the code for this activity. Line 7 prompts the user to enter either 1 or 0 to turn off the USB relay using the input function at the shell console. Your choice text will wait for the user's input in the next line. The input is then stored in the user input variable as a string. Line 8 converts the user's input into an integer using integer user input and stores the result in a state variable. Line 10 to 12, if the state is 0, the relay of text will be printed on the shell console and the relay value will be set to false, turning the relay off. Line 13 to 15, if the state is 1, relay on will be printed on the shell console and the relay value will be set to true, turning the relay on. Line 16 to 17, if the state is neither 0 nor 1, the script prints a valid input. Please enter 0 for off or 1 for on. Let's run the code and try this program together. A relay has two circuits in its body, the primary circuit and the secondary circuit. The primary circuit mainly receives an external signal that controls the on and off operation of the relay. In this case, it's connected to EDU PICO GP22. The secondary circuit is connected to the load or the output component. In this case, the secondary side is connected to the USB port, which is also connected to the LED stick. When current flows through a relay's coil, it creates electromagnetic field that attracts the movable contactor, which will connect and complete the circuit on the secondary side. Well done completing part 2 of chapter 7. In the next video, we will create a smart classroom. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.